it onto the stump. Tuskin strikes the very first ball of the innings. Mohammad Haris departs for a golden duck. What a start for Duck.
I'm really looking forward to see what he does in these conditions where the pitch is a little bit helpful with the lights on. I feel he'll swing the ball. The record is very, very good. 267 wickets, economy rate just under 8. Maybe at time he goes for runs, but is a wicket taker. Swings the ball away from the right-hander.
Gone! First ball, chopped it onto the stump. Tuskin strikes the very first ball of the innings. Mohammad Haris departs for a golden duck. What a start for Duck.
Hire Google TV. New year, new screen. Save up to $25,000.
Yeah, excellent delivery. The length was good, a little bit extra bounce, and Mohammad Haris a little lazy, one must say. Yeah, just was looking to cut the ball, which was way too close to his body, and got the under edge and onto the stumps. That's the start they were looking for. Early wicket, and that too of Mohammad Haris. Gone without scoring. It's none for one.
Mahmudullah Sanjoy is at number 3 in the very first over of the innings. Over 1,700 runs with the strike rate of 122 with 7 50s. He has to play the role of an opener as he will face the second ball of the innings. Taskin Ahmed got the start that Dhaka needed, dismissing Mohammad Haris in the very first ball. He's got his tails up. Here comes Taskin Ahmed. He's got a slip in place for the right-hander Mahmudullah Sanjoy. Backward point cover, mid-off, mid-on, and fine leg inside the circle. He's got a deep square leg in place as well, so does a slip. Puller this time. What a start. What a shot. We have seen it all in the first 2 balls of the game, of the innings. A wicket and now a boundary.
Yeah, a little too full. The first delivery was little short, and this one, he tried to swing it, gave a ball a little chance to swing. The seam position was good, but this one did not swing at all. And how good was that shot? This will make him feel like $1 million individual. That is a superb shot. Opening the face of the blade at the last minute, and held the pose for our photographers.
What a start. Shot wide. Tried to cut that one. Mohammad Mithun behind the stump saying you need to bowl a bit closer.
He's a tall man, Taskin Ahmed. He gets that extra bounce, but you got to be right on top of the ball. He was not in control of the shot. The bat was coming from up to down, and with the cross bat, because the ball came in a touch, that inside edge or under edge, one should say, onto the middle stump. That's a good line and a length. That's where he wants to be. Most of the time you see him bowling that length, where the ball swings and it's not a half volley. Beautiful delivery.
You have worked closely with Taskin Ahmed during your time with Sylhet in the BPL a couple of years back. How much he has improved as a fast bowler. Look at that delivery. Actual one, and the one that got the deviation and got that inside edge. Yeah, he's a matured bowler now, Waqar Bhai. Over the past 4 or 5 years, he's been the leading fast bowler for Bangladesh. Bangladesh has got a good bunch of fast bowlers, and he's among them. Changed a lot of the fast bowler from when you saw him?
Look, he always had that talent, and he always used to bowl that out swingers and an in swinger to the right handers. But the only thing which was missing at the time was the control, and then of course this delivery, which is a natural variation sometime, I feel, to a left-hander when a right-arm fast bowler bowling who normally brings the ball back into the left-hander. If you pitch it around that region, if the seam hits, it does not matter that if you have presented the seam or not. The ball can go across also. So he's learned the art of taking the ball away from the left-hander, and always had it in his armory, that outswinger to the right-hander. But what he's done well over the years with experience and all, he has mastered that. That's the key.
Fuller this time. End of a successful first over for Dhaka. Chattogram 5 for 1.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Download T Sports app to enjoy exciting games and highlights. Visit tsports.com.